At this point in quarantine, many of us have faced the relatable low stakes dilemma of whether or not to wear makeup for venturing outside the house. You should know the best practice for wearing makeup with a face mask. So here I am with some easy to implement tips which will help you effectively avoid mask skin while keeping foundation from rubbing off. So yeah, let's get started. Always start with skin prep. Skincare is a vital step in your makeup routine. So here I am using Aroma Magic Aromatic Skin Toner. After that, I am applying sunscreen, which is also from Aroma Magic Aloe Vera Sunscreen Gel. After that, for eyebrows, you can use any of the eyeshadow palette which should have brown toned colors. That should be matte, or you can use any of the eyeshadow palette. For my brows, I am using this Hilary Rhoda eyebrow drawing palette, mixing some brown and black color which will ultimately match my eyebrow color, and after that I will fill it into my eyebrows because not everyone is born with perfectly manicured brows. So to achieve an pleasing look, eyebrows should be routinely trimmed, shaped and filled. After filling my eyebrows with the help of a spoolie, I will eventually spread the product onto my eyebrows. Now can you see the difference? For foundation, I am using NY Bay foundation. I am in the shade Almond 5. Now with the help of a foundation blending brush, I will blend my foundation onto my face. Blending is a very essential key to achieve the flawless makeup look. So blend, blend, blend. ब्लेंड करते करते मैं एक गाना गा देती हूँ. सजना है मुझे सजना के लिए, सजना है मुझे सजना के लिए. After that, I am using Stay Quirky translucent powder yellow. I am in the shade Longer Love Making Heated 2. Translucent powder over top of your face will provide extra protective barrier between the makeup and your mask. I usually don't like to prefer concealer. Rather, I go for this kind of translucent powder which usually helps me to correct my dark circles, my blemishes, tanning. It is super duper affordable, guys. You can get this product exclusively on Purple. Usually I don't like to wear foundation. I go for this product and it does magic on my face. After that, I am using this Bella Voste Ultimate Liquid Lipstick in the shade Electric Red. Since your lips are totally hidden under a face covering, you might decide to skip lipstick altogether. But I personally go for the option of wearing lipstick. Since wearing a mask covers your lips, there is a chance your lipstick will transfer. That's why I go for using a matte lipstick which will not transfer in the mask. And when I take off my mask, it still looks good. That's why I personally suggest you to go for a matte lipstick. After that, I am using this NY Bay Sky Eyeliner Liquid Eyeliner which is matte black. You can apply a very thin line. After that, I am using this Blue Heaven Wax Free Mascara which is also waterproof and it gives me the accurate volume which I want for my lashes. Don't undervalue the power of a good mascara application. I find that mascara is what truly helps make the eyes pop when I am wearing a mask. You can also apply some mascara on your lower lash line, or you can also skip this step, but I usually prefer to do this. Dust off the extra powder. Yeah, now you are good to go. You can see my lipstick has not transferred. If you like this video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.